can't sleep at night. I'm just thinking for you to hold me tight. But you're nowhere inside. So I toss and I turn and I wait for daylight. Are you thinking the same? Are you hearing my voice or saying my name? The one here to blame. We are here together. Control, it's too late, hate to hesitate. But I can't be the only one to crave. I took a chance with you. It'd be worth the pain if we didn't come through. We'd leave the city too and just be together. There's something about you, I can't pin it down. Just needing more of it. Whatever we found, I felt a devotion, a commitment in time. Our groove was in motion.